and also just the payment process. So if you
Okay.
just send all of that to me.
Okay, sounds good. No problem. So this is Paravi and Mr. Ramzan and me. We are team member and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Mr. Ramzan has audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues. And
Hmm.
basically, if you can fix that issues, your channel possible to grow. And we already audited your YouTube channel and we found that your channel is possible to grow on YouTube. But if you need to fix some things on your channels, like your video metadata are not optimized and your video SEO score is not up to the mark and you are not using high volume rank text to your videos, so
Hmm.
and you are not promoting your videos, if you want we can fix all of the problem and we can help you to increase your channel visibility. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
What is the process for optimizing? Because I've had a few people try to do things that have brought their page into worse kind of like ranking on YouTube, whether strikes or they get shadow banned and all of these things. What is that like? What do you guys do to make sure that this is organic and it's not something that it's done by a robot or anything like that?
Okay.
Okay.
So definitely we will work 100% organically and we know all the rules and regulations of YouTube. So we will work obeying the YouTube rules and regulations, and definitely we work 100% organically and not a single fake or robotics views you will get from us, and all of the proof we will show you. And when we work for you, then views will not growing rapidly overnight. So we will work 100% organically, so it takes some times, and all of the report you can show, you can see from your channel analytics also. So at first we will optimize organically your video metadata, title, tags, description 100% organically, and after that we will promote your videos through Google ads. No any fake or no any robotics views, 100% legal way, obeying the YouTube rules and regulations. And for that work we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package we will optimize your 10 video including SEO and promotions, and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package we will optimize your 30 video and it costs 300 USD including SEO and promotion, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your choice which package you want to start it.
Sorry, so the first one is 10 videos,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And that includes promotion and
Optimization.
SE optimization,
Yeah,
and that is 120 USD.
yeah,
And then the other one is 30 videos,
yeah.
and that
30
one is how much?
300 USD including SEO and
300
promotion.
USD. I don't have 30 videos, so um okay. So what do you need? How does this work? Like, what do you need? What access to my page do you need?
We have two methods to start the work. One is you can give your channel editor access to us, then we can optimize each of the things from our site, do nothing. Second method, which is you just send your video links, 10 video links to us, then we will optimize from our site and make a report sheet, then we will hand over to you, then you just implement to your videos by yourself. This is the method. And our payment system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% in advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. No need to pay full amount in advance. And to receive money we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer and PayPal also. So our team member will guide you if you face any problem to sending the money, no problem.
All right. So yeah, just before we get down the sales route, I'm a salesman, so I understand what you're doing.
Yeah,
So that's fine. So what you're saying is with the link one, I send you a link,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then you guys optimize it by using the link. How does that work? So if you guys don't have access to the back end, how does that work better or less
Yeah,
as the first one?
access is the best way, but sometimes some of our client do not want to give access. That's why we offer second method. But if you provide us editor access, then we can edit your video title, text, and descriptions, and nothing can we do. But Access is the best way, but second method is also good, not bad.
When you say also good, not bad, does that mean the success is not as potent as the first one? Is that what you mean?
No, almost similar, but in the second method you have to do some work, like if you give us access, then we will optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not give access, then we will optimize title, tags, description, each of the things, and make a report sheet that we will hand over to you. Then you have to put by yourself. That is the difference.
Okay. All right. So the other one is that I have to do the work,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
you guys just give me the report.
But I assure you that our main thing is our client satisfaction, because we are a freelancer and we believe in long term relationship. Because if I provide you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day. We believe it. So that is why we will try our best to prove ourselves to you, because we need client, we need work. So definitely, if we fraud with you, if we make any dishonesty with you, then you will leave us. We believe it. So we are not a small agency. We work with 700 plus client all around the world. So we believe we are here to help you, and it would be very pleasure for us if we can increase your channel subscribers and views.
Okay. All right.
My suggestion is at first you can start with the starter package, then judge our work, and if you think that our process is working for you and you are benefited from our service, then you can go for the long time, no problem.
Okay. What is the long-term commitment?
Long term commitment means if you satisfied, and then you can rehire us for the month, for the next month, no problem, if you
So
satisfied.
what does that monthly cost?
Yeah.
What's
Mo-
that? Do you
Monthly cost is 300 USD. We will optimize your 30 video in a month.
okay. But the thing is, I don't have up to 30 videos in a month.
No need to
Yeah,
no
go
need to
on.
upload no need to upload each month 30 videos. You can we also can do your older video, or upcoming video, already existing video, both type of videos we can do. So if you upload till now some videos, then if you create new content, then we also optimize upcoming content also, no problem.
Right. Is there any video that we can try this on?
If you do only one or two video as a trial, then you will not get so much views or so much result, because your channel has a lot of tutorials. But if we do only one or two, then you will not get too much views. But at least you can start with the 10 videos, and definitely you will get good result.
Okay, can you leave this with me till tomorrow, right? And get sorry, what's the name of I think he was the one that contacted me. Is
Yeah,
it
yeah, Mr. Ramjan.
Ramjan?
Yeah,
How you
yeah,
doing? You okay?
yeah.
Um, the honest truth is I'm slightly concerned, right? If I'm being honest with you guys, I'm slightly concerned. Does sorry for asking this, but I just need to know, does Ramjam, do you speak English?
Yeah, he is little bit weak in English. That is why I am talking to you. But
Okay.
he is a
All
very
right. No,
expert
I
guy.
understand. Trust me, I work with Brazilians. I work with people from all over the world. So I don't necessarily I know that's not a barrier. I'm also a Christian, and so the things that I do, I want it to always be above board because what we do
Brother,
and
we are giving you 100% assurity that we will not provide you any single fake or robotics views.
because
We
for me that's very
Yeah.
important.
We
I
know, we know, we
this
know, we know. Our channel is very valuable to us. If we provide you the fake views, robotics views, then YouTube will suspend your channel. So
yeah.
why we hamper you? Why we do dishonesty with you? Because you are
Okay.
my client. You are my client. Why we destroy my market?
Okay. So do me a favor. Send me on you can send this to me on your on Ramja, you can send me on your on Instagram, your website, please, your channel, the pricing for the starter, the 10 videos one, because I we don't necessarily have more than 10 videos. Hopefully this year we'll have a lot more videos. Um and then any kind of like success stories of people that you've worked with that is similar to what I do.
Okay,
Does that
okay.
make sense?
Yeah.
if I'm going to take some time, I'm going to pray about it. And then if you can send it to me today, you get an answer by tomorrow.
Okay.
Um, and also just the payment process. So if you
Okay.
just send all of that to me.
Okay, sounds good. No problem. After finishing the meeting, our team member Ramzan will send what you asking for and hope to work
Okay.
with you for a long time. And bye for now.
All right. Bye for now.
Okay.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much.
Yeah.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Yeah.